up everybody, Sam here. Today we are going to unbox yet another great e-bike from Eleglide, the M2. Alright, so here we have some basic information like the gross weight, net weight, 23.66 kilograms. That's quite normal for an e-bike, right? And some basic information here. And yeah, nothing. Let's just get to the unboxing. Quite well packaged. Okay, nothing inside. All right, that's what we get from the box. Cable, charger, and manual. Pedals. This accessory enables you to install the throttle control on the M2. Some lights, protective gear, and also some tools. And also we have a chunky multi-language manual. That's all accessories. All right, let's get down to the installation. All right. Alright, that is the handlebar. Now, we install the front wheel. Get rid of this. Okay, that's it. Screw it tight. That's easy. Let's install the others. Okay, now we install the lights. Woohoo. Okay, lastly we install the pedals and we finish the installation. Right, left, right, left, right. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now let's power the thing on. As we can see, this two physical keys is for removing the battery, so you can charge it separately. Let's just install it. Just like that, you install and uninstall the battery. Now let's power the thing on and give it a ride. Power button here, we just long press it. See? It has 5 modes, and we can see some information, speed and your trip, and the battery information, and that's it. All right, that's it. That is the installation. Let's give it a ride. But yeah, this video is just an unboxing and installation. For the detailed review, I will put to next. So, subscribe if you haven't. Bye-bye.